Danes vam bomo predstavili zgodbo o Guzaju.
Eba je moja pištola. Imaš pištolo? To ni moja pištola. Brez moje pištole ne morem.
Guzaj was an outlaw and a hero who died fighting for his rights.
Kakšna bo vas batka potovala v Ameriko, tako bomo srečno živela.
Enjoy it while it lasts. I know I will plant some silver and gold. Then I will call the police. I love my sweet Guzaj, but still he must pay for not returning my love.
Bolje da spakiram. Ojoj.
See, he took the silver and the gold.
Hvala, ker ga bomo lahko odpeljali v zapor.
Get him! Look, Guzaj confronted the police. He did not want to go to prison for the figure he did not do so for that. Oh, yes, the bird. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my God, he died. My sweet love. O moj ubogi ljubi Guzaj, jaz sem se razjokala. Robin Hood si ti slovenski, razbil si dobrega srca.